Alright you guys, what's up? So let me pause this. Oh, I don't really cover. Okay, so today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I make my body scrubs. I just decided to do this because I don't know, I want to start making videos of like me doing and making my products that I sell. By the way, I have a business. I'll put the links down below to shop KalahDenese. So yeah, it's just gonna be a quick little video on how to make it because it's super duper easy. So let's go ahead and get started. So I already washed my hands and stuff, so my hands are clean. I already put in my olive oil, my coconut oil, and now I'm gonna add these other two oils. So I'm gonna add grapeseed oil and almond oil, and obviously brown sugar. That's literally all you're gonna do. You're gonna mix it in a bowl, and then you're gonna put them into the little thing. So I'm gonna show you guys me doing that. See if that oil, So all I did was, by the way, I put in a cup of coconut butter or coconut oil, and I put in half a cup of olive oil. Now I'm gonna go in with a third cup of grapeseed oil. I think that'll honestly be the rest of this. No. Pretty close though. Yep. I'm just gonna pour the rest in there. This is why you need to buy lots of oil. So that's empty. 4 ounces gone. And then my almond oil. Now we're gonna go downstairs and melt this coconut oil into this oil because coconut oil sometimes freezes up like when you make it, so you gotta melt it sometimes. So let's go do that. That's what it looks like. And I'm gonna melt it.
So I figured, why not Melissa? Making a smoked cod and chorizo Melissa with a watermelon radish salad. But it is expensive because if you don't get this sucker, it's extremely dangerous. You gotta go 40, 50, 60 miles straight. I don't want to do a lot to it. I don't want to overcook it. So I'm making a simple butter poached Alaska king crab over a salt.
A flavor to this, or you think the scent will be fun? Alright you guys, so I finished making them all and I put them in this. This is my smallest one. This is for, I'm probably gonna give to my mom. So that's what the top looks like. That's what that looks like. Show you what it looks like on the inside. So this kind, I made sure it was like a little runny, but not too much runny, so like in the middle, because I want to make sure you guys get that oil into your skin and you scrub it dub at the same time. So I'm gonna actually put labels on mine because I am selling these. So I'm gonna mine's not perfect because I put it on too fast. I got too excited, but mine just has the ingredients and then the size of the jar on it. So yeah, really cute. Next time I make these, I'm gonna make them smaller so it won't go as big. I could still maybe get it across top, but nah, I think I'm gonna just make them thinner. But yeah, so that's my body scrub. Yeah, I'm definitely make these smaller. I might try to chop off a very thin line on the bottom. I'm gonna see, but that's what it looks like. Show you. But yeah, so hopefully you guys like this video. Stay tuned for my next one. Go look at all my other videos. I have other entrepreneur videos on my channel, and stay tuned for more. And yeah, just go and like this video and subscribe to me. Don't forget to do that. Click that bell as well so you'll be notified when I post again. And I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye. That's what my friend does, sorry. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.